Alright guys, just a quick unboxing video, something a little bit different but along the same lines. It's an LDRC LD 1299. It's along the lines of like WPL, MN and all that kind of stuff, 1/14 scale. Not sure what size motor's in it, but I will try and find out and sort of add that in the video at some point. So this box just come in a kind of package. One from a different seller come in a nice box. This box had a little bit of a battering on the way. Looks like we get to it from underneath. Just quick look on the outside of the box, if you can be asked to read all that. 1/14 scale, light stampers, independent front suspension, side rear axle, don't know what CVT is, metal gears, proportional steering, it's a 280 motor, and standard 2.4 G. You go. Okay. Boxes, controller, the don't eat batteries guide, and yes, same style of wheels as what you're getting on the current MNs. Front doors don't open. Okay, this is actual sellotape. Tailgate doesn't open. Does the bonnet open? No. So where do the batteries go then? Oh, I see. Batteries go underneath. So that's a 500 milliamp 7.4 lithium ion. Kind of MN style rear axle, solid axle, independent front suspension, similar drivetrain to the D12 from WPL, I guess. But yeah, like I say, I think it's meant to be based on the Range Rover Evoque. But yeah, well, the mirrors are flexible, so that'd be handy. It's in the box. So, okay, so you've got your mirrors, got spares by the looks. Fog surrounds or exhaust tips. Yeah, I think they're meant to be the exhaust tips. Charge cable, little screwdriver. nothing too exciting. That's usable, bit of a stretch, but usable. Let's see how many batteries it takes. I'll just get some batteries in here, guys, and come back to you. Okay, so I've just noticed it's the same kind of 3-pin battery connector as MN use. So it does have a nod to MN with some of the parts that are on here. Okay, so I'm just noticing that once you get the batteries in the controller, I don't think you're ever getting them out again. Right, so batteries are in, accessories are on, little mirrors, little exhaust tailpipes, and that's literally all you have to do for that. Controller is quite basic, but for the money not too bad. These are about £35 off AliExpress. Controller, you've got steering trim, throttle trim, fast slow throttle, which I would mention is like an electric 2-speed rather than mechanical, 3rd channel and headlight switch, power button at the back, can't see any other buttons on there, and power switch for that is underneath. Yep. Fully proportional steering. Headlights. We have braking tail lights. Headlights. I'm not entirely sure what the 3rd channel does. Quite a noisy little thing. Okay, so with the steering lock on in reverse, you need virtually full throttle. Modulation's okay, but it's really not the best. When you're steering, you need a lot more throttle input. Let's try the other speed. Yeah, I'll have to get this out on the trails and have a play. It's something a bit different. But yeah, hopefully in the other box is a red one. So we shall give that a quick unboxing and have a look at the two side by side. Actually, just before I Yeah, 2-piece speed gives it a bit of pep. Not entirely sure what the B switch does. Yeah, anyway, let's unbox the red one, shall we? I'm not going to do a full unboxing, but I'll definitely need to try and find the seller I got this one from, because it got here quicker and the box is in far better condition, because it was obviously in the other box, kind of WPL style. So yeah, we've got the red one out of the box, and let's get the lights on. Get my hand out of the way of the camera. Yeah, interesting, the rear lights don't engage until... I wonder if that's... okay, so the channel B is forward brake or forward brake reverse. Maybe, who knows. But yeah, the red one's a nice kind of deep burgundy red. It's quite a nice colour. Shame it's I haven't got very strong lighting in here to really sort of show the colour off. But yeah, that's the LDRC LD 1299. The red and black ones. The red one's nicer in my opinion, but it's all down to preference. And the modulation on that one seems a little bit better than the black one. Maybe the black one was a Monday car and the red one was a Monday car and the black one was a Friday car. But anyway, that's basic unboxing. Let's see if I can have a little run around the floor without the dogs attacking them too much. Just a little bit of indoor run. Easy to turn yourself.